Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Sandeep Kumar and we are on Leetcode solving easy problem section. So today we are going to solve the next problem in the easy section, that is longest common prefix. So let's go to the problem statement. So write a function to find the longest common prefix string amongst an array of strings. If there is no common prefix, return an empty string. Here is the example. So there are a list of strings given, and we need to find the longest common prefix. So the output is FL, and you can see here FL is common amongst all the three, and then the third character is different. It's same in the first two, but it is different with the last. That's why the longest common prefix becomes the first two characters. So on to the next example. Dog, race, car, and all the first character is different. So we can't find a common prefix. That's why we returned an empty string. So let's get on to our function. Okay. So we are given a list of strings, or we call it as a vector of strings. So if the vector is empty, then we shall return empty string because there are no strings inside a vector. So if strs dot size is equals to 0, then return an empty string. Also, we need a variable to store prefix. So let us name that variable as prefix itself. So prefix is equals to an empty string. Here we will store all the whatever prefix will we will get. So for this solution, what I'm thinking is I will take the first string and then keep scanning the rest of the strings. So I'll take the first character of first string and then I will scan the second string whether it has the same first character. Then I will scan the third string and see whether it has the same first character. And then if it does, then I will add this first character to my prefix string variable. And then I will take the second character of the first string and then I'll scan from the second string and then with the third string. If both are equal to this second character, then I will add that to our output as a output prefix, and then I'll start with the third character, and if it is equal with the second and third, then I will add it to the output prefix, and since here it is not, so we will return in this case the output prefix that we have got so far. So that's how we are going to proceed, and for that what we need is a loop which will traverse through all the characters of the first string. So I will write here a loop for int I is equals to 0, I less than strs dot size, sorry, strs 0 dot length and then I plus plus. So let us take that character char ch is equals to strs. So we are looping through all the characters of the first string in the vector, and then we are taking out the first character of that first whatever the value of I, that particular character we will take out of the string. And since the I starts from 0, so first it will take out f, and then what we need to do is loop through all the strings in the vector. So for string s in strs, so this will loop through all the strings in the vector, and then what we need to is put a check that ch is equals to s of I, and then if it is equal, then then we need to continue, and else we need to return the prefix. Once we have looped through all the characters, then we need to add that character in prefix. So prefix plus equals to ch. So this will add the character to our to our prefix string, and at the end of this for loop, what we need to do is again put a return statement, else it will give an error that we are not returning from our function. Looks fine to me. Let us cross check it again. So if there are no strings in vector, then we are returning empty string. Also, we are assigning our prefix string as an empty string at first. Then we are looping through all the characters of the first string of the vector. Then we are taking out the characters one by one. Then we are looping through the list of characters, and then we are checking whether our character is equals to uh, the other strings current current character which corresponds to the value I, and if it is, then we move on to the next string, and the loop continues. And if it is not, then we will return the current value of our prefix. And if all the strings pass this check, then we will add that particular character to our prefix list, and at the end of the function we are returning our prefix string. So let us just run the code. Okay. I am having an error, char ch strsi. Okay, so this will be 0 and I, since we are taking the characters of the string 0. So that was the error. Let us run the code again. Now output is fine. For checking, I will take this, put it as a test case and check whether it passes or not. So it is passing this case also. Let us submit our code, and our code is accepted. So if you like my solution, please subscribe to my channel. And if you have any other comments or suggestions, please comment on the comment box. Thank you for watching.